Alright guys, welcome back to a new video here on this channel. As you can see, I'm already in a trade. Today I decided to trade London session again, and I catched this beautiful short setup here. I already had one loser. I'm going to explain you this trade as well. And today I'm going to show you how I use premium and discount zones for determining my positions and when to get in, when to not trade, when should you avoid trading, because I think premium and discount is a really simple tool, but it's really efficient, and I think most people use it wrong in my opinion. I just want to let this trade play out at first. I'm not quite sure if I should TP now or wait for this low here. But as you can see, I entered my short here. We had this inversion fair value gap here. Like I said, I'm going to explain this soon. In TradingView, this is on Topstep. I took this trade on 2 funded accounts, so this is my first funded account on Topstep. And then I have my second one here. This is the second account. The position here is a bit smaller. The problem is I'm not quite sure what kind of day we have. So we have Tuesday. That's not a problem. It's more like, do we have a accumulation, manipulation lower? Because we had a really bullish day yesterday, and on some days, and you have this quite often, like sometimes when you have a huge expansion day, the next day price goes back to equilibrium. So this could be like a risky trade, but most of the time London is just going for this low here, for example, and then it goes higher. So that's the problem. That was my question, like if we are still in a bullish uptrend, or was the up move yesterday just a manipulation or something. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. But it's not really possible to say this. I think I can start explaining this trade here. I can just let this run here. So at first, for me, I think I can just delete all this. I think we don't really need ES for this. That's a lot better. So what can we say? I think I can just go on the daily chart at first. And that's the problem why I'm still not full bearish. So we haven't swapped the daily high, the previous day high. So if we have, but that's what you can see this here. We had a strong down move here, or a strong downtrend in the last days. But for a full bearish move, I want to see sweeping the previous day high. So this big green candle is the Monday, and you can see really strong candle. We had a reversal here, so it looks actually like a bullish shift again. I mean, at least in short term. But then I switched to the 1 hour chart. And I was like, okay, this move here already looked like a reversal. You can see we created a swing here. So this hourly candle created this bearish swing here. We were not able to take this high out again, and since then we had a down move. And then we had London. For London, I was just rating, okay, I want price to see sweeping a high. Maybe this could be a good target. Okay. So I was like, okay, I want London to manipulate higher and then to distribute lower, and that's how I use premium discount. I think I took my entry on the 5-minute chart. I know it was 3 minutes, but you can see we had Asia here, and this, you can see this. I think this looks already like a region. Okay, I think London is not strong enough to get back to these highs here. So I was more focusing on these highs here to see, okay, maybe London sweeps some of these highs here. And now it comes the point when we talk about premium discount. I want these highs here to be in premium, and that's really simple, but most people don't use it right. So I actually only did this here because this was the open here. So you can see here it was 2 a.m. and 2 a.m. opened up here and started manipulating higher immediately, and that was, in my opinion, a really great sign. And then NQ created an S&T here, so this high here on ES took out this high here. So just going to mark this out in red. And so for me it was like, okay, NQ is the weaker asset, and we have the two factors. We are in premium, and we swapped this high here, I mean on ES, but this is all what I wanted to see. And I think just want to go in the replay mode. And you can see, and that's what I'm waiting for, I think. This is the 3 a.m. candle. And I mean, we created a swing down here, but for me, and we had this low here, but for me there was no reason to go up here to have a bullish close. So for me I was like, okay, this is the first try I want to have when, yeah, to catch the down move. And then, yeah, that's the move I'm always doing. I'm just waiting for the first inversion fair value gap. I mean, we had one gap here, but I did not take this. I was too slow, to be honest. And at this point here, I was like, okay, I missed this move. But then, yeah, price came back up. And this was even a even better confirmation because we had a really, really bearish 50-minute close. So you can see this 50-minute candle closed deep down here. And this candle here, yeah, came back to my entry point. So I was like, okay, I really want to take this. And this is also how I use the higher time frame candles. I mean, 50-minute is not higher time frame, but I think you understand this for confirmation. And yeah, I took this entry here, stop loss above the high. And yeah, at the moment I'm thinking about, okay, should I TP here or should I target lower? I mean, this would have been already 3.4R. Yeah, now price is coming back up again. This would be really sad if price is closing now like this. But I hope it gets lower. And yeah, this was my entry. And you can see price was really close, to be honest, here. But yeah, then price just traded lower. And now you can see we are back at the live price. I'm not sure how long I filmed this. But yeah, you can see today we created no swing. So all the followers who watch my videos. Now normally I'm looking for an hourly swing. So normally I want this 3 AM candle here to sweep this candle here. But today we received this not on NQ and also not on ES even. I know we had SMT here, but ES also did not sweep the previous hourly high. But this was fine for me because we had SMT here, and yeah. But now I'm not quite sure how we should manage this trade here. But I think